Maya. My name is Anaya. We're sisters. Salutation chefs. We're in the kitchen again. Oh man, what I'm supposed to say? Salutation chefs. We're in the kitchen again. Back again with another video. Today we'll be doing the 10 wing 10 sauce. I'm so sorry. We're in the kitchen again. Back again with another video. Today we'll be doing the 10 wing 10 hot sauce challenge. Today we got 10 sauces. We're going to be seeing which one's the hottest and which ones are not so hot. And then we're going to get our honest opinions. Let's get started. And I stop. Why would you do that? It's not funny. I can't take y'all serious. Alright, ready? Okay, as y'all can see, we got 10 sauces. So we're doing it how we think, like, which ones is the least hot to the ones we think is the most hot. We got the first one, which would be this one. Yeah. Okay, this is Red Hot Original. So I'm going to put 2 drops on the chicken wing and I'm going to pass it off to my sister. I want to get enough so that I can really like taste it, you know? Yeah. Okay. This one, it smells like hot sauce, so I'm pretty sure it tastes like hot sauce, but it looks different. It's just like regular hot sauce, but it's not as hot as like the regular hot sauce, because regular hot sauce is kind of hotter than this. Yeah. So next hot sauce, it is cayenne hot sauce, sauce supreme. So I'm gonna put it on my chicken wing. Wait, the first one was kind of hot because it still got like kind of like just a little bit, bro, just a little bit. Oh Lord. See, that's why I said you never know, because that is kind of hot. That is spicy though. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. This looks like the first one we tried. Right. Put it on the table. That one tastes a little bit. I don't like it. It's like, it tastes like regular hot sauce, but there's something about it that I really don't like. Yeah, it's something different. Something about different about the taste that I really don't like.
What exactly? I mean,
it tastes like regular hot sauce, but like, it got something added to it that just make it taste different. I don't know exactly what it is. I think it's like a pepper or maybe a next sauce, which is the Louisiana, the perfect hot sauce. Okay, so this might be good. I'm gonna put my little 2 drops. You know, Louisiana hot sauce be hot. Yeah. I'm thinking it was gonna come out like red. You supposed to shake it first. I don't think I still think it's gonna come out the same way. Right.
you want to put some more on yours?
See? Okay. See, I wasn't sure because the rest of them, it kind of looked like this, so I wasn't sure. Because I was confused. Don't laugh. It tastes like first of all, now that one is hot. That's hot to me. Not really. But it's not good. I don't know. It's something with these hot sauces that's just like, I don't like that one. I don't know. It said a perfect hot sauce Louisiana, so I don't really know. Like, that's not the perfect hot It was hot, but it got something in it that I just really don't like.
Yeah.
So if you fry some chicken at the house, you would definitely not be one of your.
Definitely not. This will not be. This is our 4th hot sauce that we are trying. Y'all,
Texas
we are familiar with this sauce.
Yes,
we have it at home and we use it on like our chicken
or pork chop
or things like that. So we're really familiar with it.
And I just love this.
So that's the best hot sauce to me because I'm so used to it and I grew up eating that sauce. So this is literally my favorite hot sauce. Texas Pete is I rate this a 10 out of 10. Yeah, because we're so used to it. So it's like.
You said it's the what?
That good. I think it tastes a little different because, like, before that, I had, like, another sauce, so it might still be, like, because when I first bit into it, I was like, this don't taste like Texas Pete. But, like, afterwards, yeah, I love Texas Pete as well. Okay, guys, we got our 5th sauce, which is the Texas Pete hotter hot sauce, which I think is going to be good because Texas Pete is already good. But I just think it's going to be hotter, though.
Yeah.
Okay.
Need some help?
Yes. That's why I need to grow nails so I can open things.
I think it's good.
Yeah. I know this is going to be hot for sure. Because Texas Pete already a little bit hot, so. And then the amount we be putting on it, I know it's got to be hot.
Oh Jesus, that's hot right
It's
there.
hot.
How hot is it?
100 out of 10. I told y'all because in the first beginning before we started, guys, I said that one's gonna be hot and this one was gonna be hot and that is really hot. So my prediction was true.
She ain't love.
Granddad, you gotta try it. Alright, we do another one of these one day. That is like
I never had it.
fire hot, and I knew it was gonna be hot because Texas Pete is already kind of hot.
So did you put a whole lot? How much did you put up there?
We didn't put as much, but it's still hot. Like it's hot.
This is our 6, right?
Yes,
6 hot sauce. I think this is gonna be hot. This is called Crystal Louisiana again. A Louisiana pure hot sauce. So
I'm not even gonna lie. I think it's gonna be nasty because most of the sauce that looks like that tastes nasty, but the other one we just had, y'all.
Nah, you be drowning yours. Don't you?
No, I don't. It's just a little bit. See,
I said 2 drops. Y'all are just like going all in.
I really didn't taste anything because I feel like
that was good.
The one before,
I thought it was gonna be nasty.
The one before was hot, and you know, like when your mouth hot, you really can't taste anything. So I really couldn't taste that one.
But I do feel like this sauce is not that hot.
So that Texas Pete hotter hot sauce.
Yeah, that hotter hot
it's
sauce.
So hot you couldn't taste the crystals.
That's one, yeah, to me.
But I don't think that's gonna be the hottest though. I think maybe this one, like maybe one of those.
Oh.
Don't try to stay home.
Alright,
okay, we got our next sauce, which is our 7th sauce, right?
Yeah.
7th sauce. We're gonna do this one.
Pepper
sauce. Okay, so that did not come to play, honey. Okay, so I'm getting another flat.
I'm gonna get one of these.
Ooh, boy.
You scared, AE? You hesitated, like, you know what I
one is just like, okay.
I'm gonna put like a little bit. I'm putting a little bit too because I think this one gonna be. It
already sounds like it's hot, but I don't know yet because like you never know. But you see how my sister drowns her chicken.
I am not drowning. See, we had the same amount of hot sauce, right? Show them yours.
Maybe because we got a different
chicken, yeah.
Okay.
Oh! What?
Oh!
Huh?
Aha!
Really?
Yes! Oh my god!
And which one was that?
The Tabasco!
What you think,
Lord Jesus!
It's very hot, but the taste is very
nasty.
Not me. Not my cup of tea. So I wouldn't use it on my chicken at all, but I like it because it's hot. Because that's really what we're looking for. And I feel like it's only going to get hotter. But you know, we don't give up. We don't give up. But if I had to say like which one was the hottest between the hot Texas Pete or this one, I would definitely say the hotter hot was Tabasco.
Now you crying, baby. I had to give one of my grandbabies some milk.
I just wanted some water because it was hot, but it wasn't as hot as the Texas Pete hotter sauce. The Texas Pete hotter sauce, baby.
Yes, it was.
They did not come to play.
Okay, so this one to me is hotter than this one, but in her opinion, this one's hotter than this.
Both
of them are next hot sauce, Coachella hot sauce. Cholula. It's not no Cholula.
You talking about Coachella?
This is Oh, you probably do.
I'm always right.
No,
most of the time.
No, most of the time I'm like, oh my god. That much. Take it out, get it out.
I don't know about all this.
Then it's like a little light color too. You added too much. Look how much I added a little bit.
And I added a little bit.
My mind ain't about to be burning. Go. That's a weird taste though, but it's good.
That's good.
I like it right there.
That's good. And it's not hot. It's not hot at all. It's not hot. If I was to, I would.
No, I don't think so. Oh, you still hot from the other ones. Which one is it?
I'm telling you, my mouth is still burning.
My mouth is not burning. Okay, y'all, we're done 2 sauces. And our next sauce, this would be like our 8th one, right?
Yeah.
Ninth. Okay. This is Travis Bull, Louisiana original recipe hot sauce. Most of these sauces are Louisiana sauces.
Then you know,
wait, I'm gonna shake it up because the last time I did not shake it up and I was looking dumb. Cause oh Lord. I hate when it comes out like this.
I'm adding just a little drip.
I want to get enough because I want to like taste it. It's not that I'm putting a lot, like I want a lot, but I just really want to.
This how much I'm gonna put.
And then I ain't coming to play because her mouth burning.
And then one more drip, like Granddad said. 2 drops. I like that one. Like out of all the other Louisiana sauces, I like that one. The other one's nasty.
It's not too hot, and then like the flavor of it was very much good.
Yeah.
Because the other Louisiana sauces we had, like it had like weird taste, a weird taste to it. And it was like it was very strong. That's the word I was looking for. Like very strong tasting.
We made it.
We made it, y'all, because we could have gave up. A lot of people give up on YouTube, but guess what?
Listen, y'all. We have smelled all these, and we think that this one has smelled hottest. Like we haven't tasted none of these yet, but the Texas Pete, of course, that we got at our house. But We think this one will be the hottest.
I don't.
And the only reason why I think that, you know, them little things like inside of you, see them things, that make it hot. Yes, because when I used to go to Pizza Inn, they used to have the sauce on the side. Yes, so I know for a fact this is gonna be hot. But let's get started.
That's why I put that for last, but I wasn't sure.
Let's get started, everybody. Okay.
We wasn't really sure about none of them. We were just doing based on the way that they smell or the way that they look. So we really wasn't sure, but now we know.
But it looked like I don't know what it looked like.
Barbecue sauce. Which one I want?
Oh, but it's called tiger sauce. I don't think you said that.
Tigger. Ooh.
So where you get Tigger from? You know? Oh, that is Tigger.
Tigger.
Baby, they're sweet and nasty. Baby, that was real good. Tastes like honey barbecue.
Yeah.
I told y'all the hottest was Tabasco.
1 to 10.
So you think this one the hottest?
I think this one the hottest. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give this one. Okay, here you go. I give this one 10 out of 10. On high.
Yeah, on high it is. I give this like 10 out of 10.
I give this 9.5.
No, this one is hotter than this one. Granddad, can you please taste? Tell us which one hotter. Please.
Okay, I taste it. One more time.
And I stopped. Why would you do that? It's not funny. I can't take y'all serious.
Alright, ready?
Okay, for real.
I'm still bugging it.
Come on.
Sorry, when she trying to put it out. So
Yo, we got to do the outro and then y'all want to joke.
Okay,
Okay.